Earlier this year, eduscripts.uk came up with a fabulous solution for creating Google Sites for your students. I took their code with their permission and I added my own touches. So this is how it works. Go ahead and make a copy. And after you make a copy, let's go to Add-ons and open it. We, of course, have to authorize it. If it requires you to go to the unsafe part, just understand it's trustworthy. Let's try this again. Add-ons, sites, and let's select a class. This is an entire list of my Google Classrooms, plus for my co-teachers. I want to click on Coding Test Classroom. I can do more than one class at a time. One thing that you need to do is you need to go to a new tab and type in sites.new. Once again, sites.new. When the new Google API comes out, we can make this faster. You must type a name up here, any name, seriously, even the word name. Now, I'm going to grab this address. It has the word edit at the end. I'm going to copy it and go back to the code. And I'm going to paste it, which is Control V. Watch this beauty. Down in the bottom, it is making my class Google site look down in the bottom right. Isn't that gorgeous? When it's done, that closes. And if I get a new student, I type in that address. Now watch. Add-ons. Add site for new student. Do you see this link right here? Click on it. It opens up the folder in your Google Drive. You can click on the arrow and get the link. I like to share this with anyone in my school district. Now copy this link. Go into your Google Classroom assignment, paste that link, add it, and save. Now students have access to everyone's blogs, but they can only edit their own.